Hello, myself Mrs. C.S. Nirali, Assistant Professor, Food Chemistry and Nutrition Department, KKV College of Food Technology, Saraswati Nagar Campus, Nashik, and the course title Biochemistry, course number FCN 112. Today we will see regarding quantitative estimation of protein by microgeltal method. Principle: the organic nitrogen from the protein and other nitrogenous compounds is converted to inorganic nitrogen ammonium sulfate by complete oxidation of sample with concentrated H2SO4. The digest is treated with excess of 50% NaOH. To liberate ammonia from ammonium sulfate, the ammonia is collected in boric acid and titrated with standard sulfuric acid. Coming to introduction, the Jaldal method is a means of determining the nitrogen content. The basic principles introduced by John Jaldal. The method may be broken down into three main steps: digestion, distillation, titration. Digestion: the decomposition of nitrogen in organic samples utilizing a concentrated acid solution. This is accomplished by boiling a homogeneous sample in concentrated H2SO4. The end result is an ammonium sulfate solution. Distillation: adding excess base to the acid digestion mixture to convert NH3 to NH4 to NH3, followed by boiling and condensation of nitrogen ammonia gas in a receiving solution. Titration: quantify the amount of ammonia in the receiving solution. Reagents required: concentrated H2SO4, copper sulfate or K2SO4 as catalyst, 50% NaOH, 4% boric acid solution, 0.1 normal H2SO4, methyl orange indicator. Coming to procedure, contains three steps. First one, digestion process. A general equation for the digestion of an organic sample is shown below as: organic nitrogen plus H2SO4 giving rise to NH4 taken twice, SO4 plus H2SO4 plus CO2 plus other sample matrix by products. Weigh accurately 0.5 grams ground sample into 100 ml digestion flask. Add 2 grams K2SO4 as a catalyst and 25 ml concentrated H2SO4. Digest until the clear solution obtains. Initially, an organic sample usually blackens the reaction. The heat input with organic decomposition, the digestion mixture gradually clears as CO2 is evolved. Digestion process continues. The acid digestion is usually cooled and diluted with ammonia-free water. Concentrated NaOH, usually 50% solution, is added slowly down the neck of the flask. Generally, for each 5 ml concentrated H2SO used in the digestion, 20 ml of 50% NaOH is required to make the digest strongly alkaline. NH4 taken twice, SO4 plus 2 NaOH in heat, 2 NH3 plus Na2SO4, 2 water molecules. The Jaldal flask is attached to water condenser and is heated to boil off the NH3 from the digester. Then second step is distillation. The majority of MnH3 is distilled and trapped into the receiving acid solution. The receiving acid solution is 4% boric acid. Collect the condensate in boric acid solution. Almost 150 to 200 ml of condensate should be collected in the receiving flask to ensure complete recovery of nitrogen. The tip of the condenser is submerged in a flask of boric acid. Again, trap the distilled NH3 in receiving solution. The chemical reaction with boric acid is NH3 plus H3BO2 giving rise to NH4 H2BO3 H3BO2, that is ammonia along with boric acid, ammonium borate complex, excess boric acid. Titration, the third step. The boric acid captures the ammonia gas, forming an ammonium borate complex. Add methyl orange indicator and titrate against 0.1 normal H2SO4. 2 NH4 H2BO3 plus H2SO4 giving rise to NH4 taken twice, SO4 plus 2 H3BO3, that is ammonium borate complex plus sulfuric acid giving rise to ammonium sulfate plus boric acid. Calculations as well as results. Calculate percentage nitrogen as percentage nitrogen is equals to ml of standard acid minus ml of blank into normality of acid into 1.4007 divided by weight of the sample in gram. Percentage of protein is equal to percentage of nitrogen into 6.25. The result of the content of given sample will be getting by these calculations. Thank you for your patience listening.